currently 4 p.m. and I'm about to start prepping my first ever bulk order. The delivery date is set for tomorrow, guys. I'm so excited to make this order. Get cooking. Some of you don't know this yet, but I'm actually a food vendor. I cook for a living. This isn't just content for me anymore. This is my reality. This order was for my church, and when you are cooking for people you worship with, you have to come correct. You cook with intention. Day before the delivery, work has already started. Day one was all about the foundation, washing, boiling, blending, fry my tomato base slowly, and trust me, patiently. There's no rush here because good food doesn't like to be rushed. You guys know the vibes. Day two was the main cook-up because we cooked for real. We made jollof rice that smells so good before you even taste it. Peppered goat's meat with that deep smoky flavor. You know that vibes. Note, I used more of the tomato base here than the pepper because this was for a large amount of people and I don't want any wahala. Goat's meat pepper soup that hugs your chest. You know that type you eat on a very cold night. You get that vibe, that warm feeling you get. You know the vibe. Started off by prepping all my protein, both the one I use for the peppered meat, the one I use for the pepper soup, the one I use for the um Nkwobi. I just prepped everything so it can be easy for me. And I also parboiled my rice. Please, we don't do uncooked rice here, okay? Cooking is something that I enjoy doing the most. You can call it a hobby. And trust me, when you see me in the kitchen, you know that at work day and at work day. Check how I'm spicing those protein now. Check regardless of the fact that I love to cook, I decided to monetize what I love doing because why not? And I can. Feel free to say this was a very much impulsive idea from my side, but thank God it's working well for me. What can I say? I'm a blessed child. By the way, for the record, this was my first official order. I know I'm not going to play with this one. I'm not going to play with this one. I put my heart, soul, love, everything in me to make this order, guys. I feel so bad I couldn't get the reactions because this order is hands down. Even from watching this video, can't you tell? Can't you? Shebi, they do you make you enter this video, conch of this food. Say the truth. Man, I talk true now. I don't know. I'm very excited. I'm so excited for this business. I'm so excited for where it's headed. I'm so excited for where I am. I'm just so excited, guys. Since it was a full goat they killed, I decided to use the head and some of the meat to do something special, something additional for them as my first client. Trust me to add nkwobi to the menu. And my lord, forget I finished work for here. Every pot was intentional, every seasoning measured with experience, not guesswork. I beg. This is what I do. I cook for small events and gatherings like birthdays, party, family gathering, whatever. I also cook in pints or what you guys call painter buckets for my loves that don't like stress but deserve to eat good. So officially welcoming you to Meso Sports where every meal is cooked like it matters.